Children, today we have a drawing lesson. Your task is to draw my portrait.
I love drawing.
You are so clumsy, wipe it quickly.
I'm sorry, teacher.
The kitten accidentally knocked over the paint and got a scolding from the teacher. Children, show your drawings.
Look, teacher.
You are such a good boy.
Now look at mine.
You are such a disappointment. Today you will get a bad grade and punishment. Oh God, the kitten was severely punished for a failed drawing.
The kitten quickly ran home and cried the whole day. From that day on, the kitten practiced her drawing skills, day and night, wherever she was, even while taking a shower or sitting on the toilet. After the whole month of practicing, the kitten was back in the class.
Kitten, you wanna be punished today again.
What do you say to that teacher?
How did you do that?
Well, the kitten proved what she was capable of, and the teacher got what she deserved for her cruelty.
I didn't touch her.
Have dinner, my two children.
Okay, Mom.
The mother cat fed the two kittens dinner and then took them both to the bedroom before returning to her room.
Good night, Mom.
Oh no! As soon as the mother cat fell asleep, her two kittens ran out to take the car keys. The two kitten sisters were still happily driving on the road, not knowing that they were running at very high speed. Soon many people around came to help the two kittens.
Little kitten, wake up. Uncle Dot, please call my mother.
The mother cat was very shocked when she heard the news and immediately ran to the scene.
I truly apologize, Mom.
Oh my God, my daughter. Oh no! The mother cat holds the kitten in her arms to be very careful to keep the car keys in a place where children cannot easily take them away.
Today is a beautiful day, so the mother cat happily took her kitten to the suburbs to play. Wait for Mom to buy water, kitten.
Goodbye, Mom.
Oh no, the kitten thought Mom's car was like its toy car, so it tried to drive it.
Oh my God, my child.
Poor kitten, it lies unconscious in the ruined car.
Please save my child.
Although the mother cat carried the kitten to the hospital very quickly, unfortunately, it did not survive. Parents, please be very careful. Do not leave children alone in the car. Prevention is better than regretting it later.
The mother cat argued with the father cat, so she left home, making the two kittens very sad and crying all day. Oh no! The father cat was so angry that he abandoned the two kittens in the middle of the road. The two kittens had to beg for food along the way, but were chased away by a ferocious dog.
Run quickly, sis.
From then on, the two little kittens picked plastic bottles to exchange for monies, to buy food for themselves.
I brought the food back. Hello, brother. Oh my God, my younger sister.
Oh no! The white cat ran across the street to pick up his brother and was hit by a car. Brother's cat quickly called for an ambulance. When the sister cat was in the emergency room, the brother cat kept praying to God to bless his sister. So lucky, finally the sister cat was okay, and the two kittens hugged each other happily.